live from the biomedical wing at Eastside High School. This is the Biomed Bulletin with your hosts, Mr. Gonzalez and Mr. Gomez. These are this week's top stories.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for a major milestone in the Biomed Bulletin with our 10th episode.
As always, we are still your one and only news source for the news that matters to you.
I'm Mr. Gomez.
And I'm Mr. Gonzalez. Let's get started now with Mrs. Coffee live in Studio 2 with our Biomed update. Mrs. Coffee?
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez and Mr. Gomez. Freshmen, we're excited to start a new and exciting unit on disease outbreaks and emergencies. How timely. In this unit, students will play the role of epidemiologists to help slow the spread of infectious diseases. Sophomores, this week students completed an integrated project in English and history called Building Your Own Civilization, where they design a unique civilization using their knowledge of world history, their understanding of the book Surviving the Extremes, as well as their mastery of human body systems and homeostasis. Also, students continued working on their student mental health awareness campaigns by researching a common mental health stressor, writing an informative article, and creating a tutorial video of positive coping strategies. Now everyone's favorite Gonzalez, Mr. Eduardo Gonzalez.
Thanks, Ms. Coffee. Juniors, did you miss the opportunity to pick up your Semester 2 AP English books last week? If so, you'll need to come by the school ASAP to pick up your books from the office. Make sure to email the librarian, Ms. Patino, before you show up to the school. And she will be sure to have your books in the office. Email Ms. Wheeler with any questions. Seniors, college acceptance letters will be rolling out soon. If you receive an acceptance from the university or college you are going to attend, email Mr. Gonzalez and Mr. Gomez and let us know, so we can feature you on our upcoming episode.
Thanks, Ed. I love that guy. Before we get into the Biomed Freshman of the Month, we have a new segment called Historical Student of the Week. This week, we want to congratulate Vice Principal RJ you know who I'm talking about, on being Sophomore of the Month, January 1984. Great job, RJ! Biomed Freshman of the Month is Tanaya Tipler. Thank you for all of your hard work this semester and representing Biomed well. Congratulations, Tanaya. Ms. Coffee, back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Ms. Coffee. Mark your calendars. Eastside will be holding a virtual academic awards ceremony on Thursday, March 11th. Students will be honored for a variety of accomplishments there. Additionally, there will be a certificate pickup on the following day, March 12th, in the roundabout from 12:30 to 2:30. Be on the lookout next week for more information. And now, Mr. Gomez with the sports update.
Thanks, Mr. Gonzalez. Athletics are starting back up. Cross country and football have resumed practices in preparation for their upcoming season. In fact, Eastside Cross Country will be taking on AV High School in a head-to-head cross country meet at Eastside High School on March 6th. The meet will begin at 10 a.m. and will be the first athletic event we have had in over a year. Good luck and go Lions. If you'd like to participate in athletics this year, you can find the EHS Sports Interest Form in the description below. Fill out the form and a coach from that sport that you are interested in will contact you. Remember, you must be cleared to practice. If you have not completed the online clearance process, you can find a tutorial on how to do so in the video above or in the description below.
Charles, this is Blake.
Hi, I'm Blake Stanford, the assistant principal of Eastside High School. The Eastside High School after-school tutoring program is still occurring on Google Meet between 3 and 4 p.m., 3 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and also on Tuesday and Thursday evenings from 7 to 8 p.m. Our teachers provide the tutoring service with representation from all subject areas. You can find the link in the description below.
The College Board is excited to announce an exciting opportunity to learn more about HBCUs. Join them for a special 2-night edition of their new podcast, Real Talk, HBCU Edition, on Wednesday, March 3rd and Thursday, March 4th. You'll have an opportunity to connect with admissions representatives from the best HBCUs in the country and get questions answered in real time. We'll cover topics such as financial aid, scholarships, academic offerings, career paths, student organizations, Greek life, housing, and more. A link for more information and to sign up can be found in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out 2 Biomed alumni currently attending an HBCU by going to the video above. And now, Ms. Singh with an Avid announcement.
Are you an Avid student? Do you like having fun? Do you like hanging out with people twice, 3 times, even 4 times your age? Then you're in luck. Avid Throwback Thursdays takes place every Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Join the Meet link to watch movies, TV shows, and play some games with your favorite Avid teachers and students. Talk to your Avid teacher for more information. Also, if you know someone interested in joining Avid next year, check out their recruitment video above. Thanks, guys.
Have you ever wondered what it would take to be a professional baseball player? We had an awesome opportunity to interview Major League pitcher Archie Bradley. Archie talked about his training regimen, his path to become a Major League athlete, and how to overcome a serious injury to become one of the top relievers in the game. You can check out the video above or watch the interview in its entirety. And now, a message from Principal Dunn.
Hello, Lions. I would like to announce the February Teachers of the Month. I want to congratulate Miss Cleveland and Miss Fisk for all of your hard work and dedication for the students of Eastside High School. Congratulations on your accomplishment. We also have exciting news. Small cohorts of students will be coming back to campus starting this Monday, March 1st. At this time, only students who are invited will be eligible to return. Hopefully, we can welcome back more students in the near future. Keep up the great work, Lions, and stay strong.
Thanks, Mr. Dunn. EHS is celebrating Black History Month. EHS has been celebrating the accomplishments and contributions of African Americans and the impact these leaders have had on our nation. Our students have created amazing tributes to African American leaders and the influence on our culture. We are also excited to hold a poetry contest with the winner receiving a $100 scholarship and the opportunity to read their poem at our academic awards ceremony. If you are interested in entering the poetry contest, please see your English teacher for details. All submissions are due February 28th.
The Antelope Valley Union High School District is proud to announce its first ever live virtual talent show. This event will take place on Friday night, February 26th at 7 p.m. on YouTube Live. Make sure you log on early. There'll be a variety of awards, prizes, and surprises. Don't miss the show. You can find a link to watch the show in the description below.
Eastside and the district office are now open to the public. The administrative teams are ensuring that all safety protocols based on LA County Department of Public Health will be in place. Please be prepared to complete a health screening, including a temperature check when visiting the school or district office. You can call the main office at 661-946-3800 to reach someone in person, or take a look at the Distance Learning Directory to get detailed information on how to contact our staff. Eastside is here to help.
Are you a gamer? A good gamer. Not like this.
Man, bathroom!
But this.
The greatest team Europe has ever produced!
The dramatic, supreme display of talent!
Then you're perfect to join Eastside's new competitive esports gaming team. Starting this summer, we will be starting our EHS esports team. Our training facility will be equipped with top-of-the-line computers, TVs, and consoles. We will be forming competitive teams for PC games like Overwatch, Rocket League, League of Legends, FIFA, Madden, and more. Our team will compete in regional and state league tournaments against schools throughout California as well as the entire Western region. As a big League of Legends gamer myself, I'm excited to coach this team. If you think you're good enough to be a part of this competitive gaming environment, make sure to sign up now using the form in the description below, and be on the lookout for more information. And now, Biomed birthdays with Miss Stonerock.
Happy birthday from Biomed to you. We wish it was our birthday so we could party too. Woo!
Thank you for joining us on this episode of the Biomed Bulletin.
And thanks to Miss Singh and Mr. Gonzalez, Ed Gonzalez, for joining us this week on the Biomed Bulletin.
Isn't Ed acting a little bit strange today?
Just a little.
Something's going on with that guy.
Gonzalez doesn't know what he has coming. I'm going to show him who the real Mr. Gonzalez is in this Biomed program. It's science, not English. But for now, I'm going to keep my mouth shut. It's coming. It's coming.
Until next week, I'm Mr. Gomez.
And I'm Mr. Gonzalez reminding you to stay safe and have a great weekend.
Thank you for watching. To stay up with all your news needs, subscribe to our YouTube channel at GoEdTechGo, on TikTok at GoGoTakeover, and on Instagram at Eastside Biomed. This has been a Big Slaps production.
It's coming.